let's upload one more real quick, and I'm going to show you how fast this can go. Let's jump right in. So here's all my shorts I have to upload. So I already uploaded 5. I do have to upload 2 more, as in these ones here. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do that step by step. So let's get this out of the way real quick. So we're going to go into our YouTube studio. Okay, so here's my new podcast. So I'm going to go up to create. I'm going to go to upload the videos, and I'm going to go to select files, and then here's all my options I have. If you do have them onto your PC, awesome. You could also do it from your external source, right? So, but I already have them onto my actual computer. So we're going to head over to here. We're going to click it, and then we're going to go to open, and then we're going to wait. And then here's what you have. So with uploading a lot more shorts, you will use a master copy, right? As in use it as your template, right? So I'm going to go to reuse details, and I'm going to show you. So here's all the ones I have, but I'm on shorts right now. So I will actually use a shorts template, right? So here's all the options I have, which is super awesome, right? Because it makes it so much faster to actually upload your stuff. So I don't want this title here, so I'm going to unclick it, and all this stuff here I keep. All right, so I'm going to go to reuse, and then I'll actually hold this there. I'll actually keep it, and then I'll just put in there #shorts, right? And then click that, and then you're just going to go down. You don't really have to put so much here in the description. Well, I don't, because it's rare that you have somebody will actually go into your description on the shorts. So if you have certain options here, you can add your shorts to like a shorts playlist or clips, all this kind of stuff. Cool. And then of course it's not made for kids, all that kind of stuff. And then you just kind of go all the way down. So here's all my tags, right? These are, for me, I think they're super important. But if you were only on this certain one to make your master template, then this right here is key. So you'll add in all those. And then, of course, for shorts, always add in like #shorts here in this box. And then also up top in the title as well. It's not mandatory, but like again, shorts and shorts, right? So let's go all the way down, and then you can be like, okay, it's funny, it's for education, all that kind of stuff, right? Cool. I just do it as entertainment because I've seen that if you have it in this certain topic, it will get seen more. But if you have pets or blogs or sports, cool, awesome, right? And then for here, for me, I don't have it checked because I want a lot more people to see it. And, there's a lot of people who will actually watch something off of the views, if that makes sense. So we're going to go up here to next, and then you can add an option at the bottom of your shorts. I'll put a picture right here. So as the viewer actually sees it, they'll be like, oh, okay, cool, let me click this one, and then it just keeps going in a cycle, which is awesome. So I'm going to show you that right now. So if I wanted this video here, is it harder for men to approach girls? Okay, cool. So for me, I want to keep it on the exact same topic. So I'm just going to kind of come here, boom. Now it's right there. Always, you could go back and be, okay, no, I want something different. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go to next, and then it's going to check. Okay, the no issues found. Cool. So now it all depends on you. For me, I'm uploading a lot right now, and I can schedule these out later, which I will. So for right now, because I'm uploading a lot, I'm going to go to, private. Okay, cool. Or you can go to unlisted. I just do unlisted because it's just super simple. And I go to save, and then it's, I like your link and all that kind of stuff. Okay, cool. So now let's upload one more real quick, and I'm going to show you how fast this can go, right? So it's the very top one. I'm going to go open. And you're going to wait, and then I'm going to go to reuse detail, and then I'm going to use the exact one off of the one I just used. I just kind of scroll down to make sure that it looks okay, right? And then again, I unclick this box and I go to next. I won't add one right now. I'm going to go to next. I'm going to go to unlisted, and then it's save. Super simple. But I hope this helped. Like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.